Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Poshmark application if you haven't logged out already. So let's get started right away. You can log out from your account from within the application, but some of your information might still be saved. So in order to prevent this, go ahead and open up your phone settings and then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from the Apps page, you can either scroll down and search for the Poshmark application, or you can tap on the search box and simply type in Poshmark to search for the app. When you find the application, simply tap on it and you will be taken into the application info page. Now from this page, scroll down and tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. Then tap on the storage option and tap on the clear data button at the bottom left, and then tap on the delete button. And this will delete all of your user data within the Poshmark application and also log you out completely. And now if you go back to the application, you will find that you have been logged out from your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Poshmark application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.